What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Raw Beauty TV, and this is your girl Ra, and thank you for coming again. And today we are going to be reviewing and flat ironing the highlights mixed color bob glueless wig simple T-part lace from Luvmehair. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to always get the updates of when I drop a new video. All right, y'all, we got our Luvmehair box going on. I'm sorry the bow had fell off, but I'm going to show you what's inside this box. Okay, so as always, you always get that cute little note from the owner. And we have our wig, but we're going to show you that a little bit later. So look, Luvmehair has new iridescent holographic clear bags. They are so cute. So let's check out what's new inside of this bag. All right, so this is new. Typically you would get like a purple scarf, but this time they have like a leopard scarf with wiring inside of it to tie it down even tighter. Also, they have in here bobby pins again, the edge control brush with the comb on the end, that is new, and the tightener for the lace front wig if you want to tighten it more, the Luvmehair clip, and some tweezers. Can't forget about those. Got to have my stocking cap. These are all the goodies that you have from Luvmehair to put on your wig, even a care manual. So ladies, they prepare you. They just prepare you for everything. So let's check out this wig. Let's get into this wig, okay? I love the mixed colors in this wig. In this wig, the hair was so soft, so nice. Like, it was really a nice wig. So cute. And let me tell you guys, this is like my 5th or 6th wig for Luvmehair. They never disappoint me. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this baby on and see how it looks. I love that it has like this bounce to it. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and just brush through it a little bit, and then I'm going to start to cut the lace on this wig. But I love the color. It goes really nice with my skin tone. So ladies, if you're looking for a pop of color, grab this wig. And I love that the roots are still a darker color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin it back, and I have already started cutting the lace off of it. Really simple. Ladies, you are welcome to take the wig off to cut the lace if that's easier for you, whatever more comfortable for you. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead. I didn't have time to dye knots and wash it. I just wanted to do a quick video and throw it on. I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on the lace so we can just blend it and get a nice even tone. So one thing I did notice about this wig that I was not in love with was it was really difficult to define the part for some reason on this wig. It was really hard, and none of their wigs have really been like that. But I really had like a hard time really just getting that part to be crisp like I like it. So I did off camera add some more, foundation on the wig, but there is the back of the wig. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron. And as you can see, that part is still really not defined like I want it to, but by the end of the video you'll see it'll be a little bit more defined. But I love this wig. I love the bounce in it, and like I said, this hair on this wig is really nice, really soft, really bouncy, and I like it that it's not super thick, so it's just right. Now it's a little bit more thicker in the back, but I plan on cutting the back, but I didn't do it in this video because, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of this highlight mixed color glueless bob from Luvmehair because it's new. But I love the color. Really cute, guys. So as you can see, this part is still not where I want it. It is a little bit more defined, but I would deal with that after I get off this video and get it exactly the way I want it. I'm actually going to cut the back of the bob as well to make it more precise across the back and a little bit shorter. Well guys, that's it for me for today. Thanks for tuning in and watching my video. Remember to follow me on Shop Rahtique. Check out my boutique, rahtique.com. And you can follow me at Sharonda Griffin on Instagram. Thanks guys for tuning in. Bye.